So for the ER verbs group, this is the first group. Okay. In
Okay.
this, first of all, you should know the subjects, les sujets en
Yeah.
français. Okay. Les pronoms de sujet. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, and then plural il, elle. Okay. Any verb which is starting with the vowel, the sound of ILS, ill will become ills because the following verb will be with the vowel. Okay. And
Okay.
then ELLES will become as else. And
Okay.
nu will become noos and woo
Nose.
will become
Nose.
woos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now for ER verb, we have to conjugate them with the action of the subject. Okay. So now you already know there are infinite forms, right, which are not yet in used or being broken up by the subject.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So for example, first verb is parler. Okay. Parler is to speak. So this is infinite form, right? So
Okay.
no one has yet used it or said anything about parler. So once it is used by anyone, like let's say you are saying, I speak or I am speaking. So that is the conjugation form. Okay. Parler with er, complete verb, it is a infinite form. And when it is used with the subject, that is called as conjugation form. Okay.
Con. Okay.
So how you will conjugate? You just have to remove er from ending and use below endings to conjugate or
Okay.
speak. Okay.
Yeah.
इसके अंदर you will have the pronunciation factors also, which somewhere you will find it similar. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So what endings you will be using? So while removing er, with je it should remain only with e. With q it will be es.
Yeah.
With il
Yes.
it will be e, le, and with nu it should be ons. With vu it should be ez. With il and l it should be ent.
Okay.
Okay. So let's
Yeah.
conjugate. Now you will just say je parle.
Right. Park.
Parler is to speak. Je parle is I speak or I am speaking. So you
Job.
don't have to separately write je suis parler. This is wrong.
Okay. Okay.
You don't have to, or strictly you will not be using any extra word for making it as I am speaking.
Speaking.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
je parle itself means I speak or I am speaking. ठीक है.
Job. Job. Yeah.
अब on the other hand, अगर तुम्हें ये बोलना है present continuous tense में, present continuous tense, मैं ये इसके बाद explain करती हूँ, पहले ये
Yeah.
सीख लेते हैं. ठीक है. So je parle हो गया I speak और I am speaking. Okay. Tu parles, il parle, elle parle.
Park.
Okay. Nous parlons,
Park.
vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So did you observe the pronunciation? It is je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle. Okay. Then
Yeah.
nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle.
Park.
So
Last two में क्या था?
il parle, elle parle.
Okay.
Same
Okay.
pronunciation as je parle. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Fine. So only with nous it will be nous parlons, and with vous it will be vous parlez.
Parler. Yeah.
Fine.
Fine.
So I just removed er and used these endings.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is for all the er verbs. The same rule you have to follow.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I was telling you about a verb which is starting with the vowel. So now let's say there is a verb which is called as aimer. Aimer is to like. Okay. When any verb with any vowel it is starting, the conjugation will become like J apostrophe AIM. So you will always use the first person singular with J apostrophe. Okay.
Okay.
So pronunciation will be Jane.
Jane.
So this means I like or I am liking.
Jane.
Okay. Then QM.
Okay.
Okay. तो कैजुअली कभी कभी जो फ्रेंच लोग हैं वो ऐसे भी बोल देते हैं इसको तेम.
Team. Okay.
Okay. Formally you will say QM, and while
Okay.
writing casually or speaking you can say tem. Okay.
Okay.
Then elame,
Elaine.
elame. Then nu same.
Nozema.
So here I said nu parlo because it's a consonant P. Here I'm saying nu zemo because A is a
No.
vowel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's no.
Vu
Who's
zeme,
who's in it?
il zeme, and el zeme. Okay. Here I said il parle, il. Okay. But here I'm saying il
Is.
zeme
Yeah.
because A is a vowel. Okay. So this is how you will be speaking about yourself or the other person. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. So this means I like or I am liking. Again, I'm telling you, no need to use any eth verb here for
Yeah.
saying I am speaking. Okay, because this is generalized.
Okay.
So let's say if I ask you, okay, do you speak Marathi? So you can simply say, Oui, je parle. Yes,
Oh,
I speak.
okay.
And then Marathi.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And if I'm saying, are you speaking in Marathi? Are you? Okay. So you will
Okay.
again not say je suis parle. No. You will simply say, Oui, je parle Marathi. Yes, I am speaking in
Speaking.
Marathi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood the concept of ER
Yes.
verb?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Now I wanted to explain you present continuous tense. Okay.
Yeah.
In present continuous tense, you have to explain the activity which you are doing right now. ओके.
Okay.
अभी अभी जो तुम एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो उसको बताना है. ठीक है. इन दिस केस यू विल बी यूजिंग verb plus contra the
Okay.
plus the infinite verb और in action. जैसे कि अभी अभी तुम क्या कर रहे हो राइट नाउ यू आर स्टडिंग. राइट.
Study. Yeah.
अभी राइट नाउ वैसे तुम बोलोगे कि ओके आई स्टडी फॉर एन आवर और आई स्टडी फ्रेंच आई स्टडी मैथमेटिक्स आई स्टडी एस्ट्रोनॉमी. So whatever. Okay. Or I am
Yeah.
studying astronomy. So that is the activity which you are doing generally. But right now अभी क्या कर रहे हो? Okay.
Yeah.
अभी तुम क्या
Yeah.
कर रहे हो? अभी तुम पढ़ रहे हो. अभी तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
Yes.
अभी तुम खा रहे हो. Right now.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So in those cases you can simply say je suis en train de parler, which literally mean I am in the process of speaking or I am
Yes.
speaking. ये हो गया
Okay.
है अभी अभी. अभी तुम कर रहे हो राइट नाउ.
Control. Okay.
ओके. जैसे tu es en train de
Part.
demander, you are asking.
Okay.
B. Il est en
On
train
top.
de
Yeah.
manger means right now he is eating.
Okay.
ओके. जैसे मैं अभी कॉल करूं और मैं पूछूं कि ओके व्हाट्सअप टू यू और व्हाट योर मदर इज डूइंग. सो राइट नाउ यू कैन टेल ओके elle est en train de cuisiner, she is cooking.
Yeah.
Elle est en train de cuisiner.
Tuesday.
मम्मी हमेशा खाना ही बनाती रहती है बेचारियां.
सच बात है.
वही एग्जांपल हम दे सकते हैं राइट. बट वी कांट डिनाई फ्रॉम दिस फैक्ट आल्सो कि हमें अपनी मम्मी के हाथ के अलावा कोई खाना अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा.
मत बोलो मत बोलो. खाया बहुत टाइम से.
या. In Marathi, you have that Puran Poli is the famous thing.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It is, it is, it is. वो
Okay.
गुजराती कैसे पैक करके लाते हैं जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं उनका फूड।
Yeah, thepla, dhokla, and
दैट्स राइट,
everything.
लास्ट टाइम मैं इंडिया गया था ना, तब जाते हुए मम्मा ने पैक करके मुझे दिए थे।
Oh, so yeah, that's the thing.
या
So,
आप
okay. So,
या
you understood present continuous tense?
आई डिड अंतरा
Okay. Then we can
अंतरा
even say now we both what we are doing. We are learning French.
या
Nous
नून
sommes en train de
अंतरा
apprendre. Apprendre is a verb which means to learn. Apprendre le français or la français. Okay. And vous êtes en train de whatever donner. You are giving. Okay.
ओके
Ils sont en train de écrire. Écrire is to write.
राइट ओके
And then elles sont en train de chanter. They are singing right now. अभी अभी क्या कर रहे हैं वो गाना गा रहे
बार
हैं. Okay. So this is what we call as present continuous tense.
या
Okay.
या
So two things. First, the general conjugation where generally you will speak about yourself. What are you doing or what you do. Okay. And this is the activity in present continuous tense, which what you are doing right now. Okay. Now, can we do some conjugation? I'll give you some verbs, ER verbs, and you can
या
say. So, for example, if I ask you, okay, you watching cricket, okay? So, abhi abhi agar dekh rahe ho, so you can say, okay, je suis en train de le regarder. Yes, I am
या
watching it, okay? Or
या
generally you can say, yes, I watch cricket. हाँ
क्रिकेट
मैं
यस
देखता हूँ, okay?
यस श्योर या
Because I'm asking you, right? Do you watch cricket? Yes, I watch.
या
So in that regard, you can simply say je regarde. Oui, je regarde. Yes, I do watch or I watch. Okay.
ओके
So regarder is the verb which means to watch.
वॉच
Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Could you do the conjugation of regarder verb?
या जस्ट स्प्रेडशीट स्प्रेडशीट
Je regarde, I watch or I am watching. Tu
या
regardes. Yeah. You can
क्लियर
speak also so that you can have that pronunciation. Okay.
pronunciation या रवाट इन रवाट पहले एल रवाट
Mm-hmm.
News part, news
Nous,
regardo,
no, no, no.
regardo,
R is a
news.
consonant, so you will say nous
Oh, right,
regardo.
right, right. No, no, yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Vous regardo, regardez.
Vous regardez. Not these, but
Este,
they.
okay.
Vous regardez. With no, it should be DONS.
EOIS.
With no, it should be REGARDONS.
DLONS, right?
DONS. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Il, il,
Ill regard.
el regard.
Yeah. Ill regard.
Il regard, el regard.
Yeah.
Okay. Element. Yeah. To sing.
Yeah. Shant.
Chant. Okay. Je,
Je chante.
je chante.
Yeah.
Tu,
Tu chante.
il chante.
Il chante.
Elle chante. Nous chantons.
Very good.
Vous chantez.
Mm-hmm.
Il chantait.
Not sha, but shaw. Okay.
Chant. Il chante. Chantait.
Yes. Il chante.
Il chante.
Mm-hmm.
Elle chante.
ILS. Okay. Il chante. Elle
Oh, right.
chante.
Understand.
So you have to, this
Yeah.
memorize all these subjects. Okay. Chrono the sujet and
Yeah.
make little like slightest of mistakes. Okay.
Yep. Yep. Donner.
Donner.
Donner. Donner. A-R-E-R-A.
Yeah.
Right. Je donnais.
Yeah.
Tu donnais.
Mhm.
Il donnait.
No. Je donne.
Spelling. Spelling गलत है.
Yeah. Tu donnes.
What I was saying वही लिखता गया. गलत
Yeah.
हुआ.
Yeah. It happens when you say something, you end up writing the same.
Elle donnait. Nous tontos.
Nous donnons.
Dono.
Yeah. Nous donnons.
Okay. Nous dono.
No, no, no. It is from where did you get T? It's DONNONS. You just have to
Oh,
remove ER. That's the rule.
just here. Yes. Okay.
So with Shante, you have written Shanto because it's CANT.
Okay.
So the basic rule is just remove ER. Yeah.
Okay.
So DONNONS. Nous donnons.
Nous dono. Is that? Il
Vous donnez.
donne.
Mhm. Il donne.
Il donne. Elle donne.
Yes. See, once your pronunciation and the understanding of ER verb, IR verb, or RE verb will be intact, you understand them correctly,
Yeah.
then we will start with the sentence making. But before that, I'll teach you some articles and the
Yeah.
connectors in order to make a sensible sentence. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Sure.
Now, A is a vowel, so you will just write J apostrophe. So it will be
Je-
Jariv.
Jari.
Jariv.
Okay. Jari. Okay.
Jariv. Tu arrives.
Jari. Right? Jari.
Yes, j'arrive. Then tu arrives. And then in French people informally they end up telling t'arrives also.
Oh,
T'arrives.
Tari. Right. Right.
Okay.
Elle arrive.
Mhm.
Nous
Nous arrivons.
Vous
Mm-hmm.
arrivons.
Vous
No,
arrivez.
Armos. Vous arrivons.
So with no, you are not writing S. Okay, please mention S also. So A double R I V O N S.
Yes.
Nous arrivons. Vous arrivez.
Vous arrivez.
Vous arrivez.
Vous arrivez. Vous
Ils
arrivez.
arrivent.
Ils arrivent.
Elles arrivent.
Ils arrivent.
So ill spelling is ILS. Okay. I think by mistake you are writing triple L. So it is ILS. Okay.
Ils demand. Demand. How do you pronounce this?
Demande.
The Monde. The Monde.
Je demande.
So, the Monde.
Tu demandes.
The Monde.
Il demande.
The Monde.
Elle demande.
The Monde. Vous.
Nous demandons.
Nous. Nous. The Monde.
Donc,
Tous.
yeah. Not those. Nous
Do.
demandons.
Okay. The Monde.
Again, S you are forgetting to put.
Yeah.
Demandons.
Nous demandons.
Mhm. Vous demandez.
Vous demandez.
Il demande.
Il demande.
Elle demande.
Il demande.
Then we have adorer. Adorer is to love.